Hello, you're welcome. This is equations with fractions. So we are going to be solving this equation. How are you going to solve it? The question is solve 3 whole number 1 over 4 equals 12 over 2 into bracket q plus 2. So therefore, we are looking for the value of q. So now, first of all, let's try to write this mixed number in improper fraction. 4 times 3, 12, 12 times this, we're going to have 13 over 4. Then equals 12 all over, you have 2q, right, plus 2. Now from here, so what are we going to do here? So what we are going to do here is that we are going to do cross multiplication. Cross multiply, that is, this will multiply this, this will multiply this. So therefore 13 multiplying 2 times q, we have 2q. Let us open the bracket. Let's try to use this 2 to open the bracket first. 2 times 2 is going to have 4 equals, then 4 times this, that's going to give us, we have 8, then we have 48. So now from here, 13 times this, we're going to have 26q, then plus 13 times 4, that will give us 52, which is equals 58. 48, we transpose this to this side, right? Minus 52, we have 26q to be equals. Now 48 minus 52, that's going to give us minus 4, right? Then divide both sides by 26, right? So this, we cancel this, we have q to be. Now we can see that here we have 4, and this is 2 times 2, that is 4, divided by, we can have this to be 13 times 2. So we have 2 here, 2 here, this can cancel this. So which is the highest common factor between 4 and 26, that is 2, equals minus 2 all over 13. So we have what? We have the solution to be what? To be minus 2 over 1, 3, that is over 13. And that's the end of the class. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share this to your friends, your kids, so they can learn from it. Follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye bye.